It's October 20th, 2024. The garden is quite messy at the moment. Um, the raspberries are still producing fruits, as you can see. These can be harvested. Here's the asparagus, and you can see the mulberry has dropped all the leaves. Rhubarb has died back, and the blueberry is dropping most of its leaves now. And then grape has also dropped all of its leaves. Lavender looks pretty much the same. All the dead flowers and some new growth. Peony is dying back. Here's the Chinese lantern plant. You can see the fruit is changing color. It's now turning orange. We should be able to harvest this pretty soon. And over here we have some beets that I planted from seed. It's kind of difficult to see from this angle, but the roots are forming nicely. I think I planted them at the right time this year, so they didn't bolt. It didn't get too hot, so they look pretty good this year. I'll harvest them pretty soon. And over here are the orchids. You can see that lady slipper orchid from the other pot has opened. And then here's the odontocidium. All the flowers, well, not all, but most of the flowers have opened. Yeah, it looks pretty as usual. And then of course here we have the three lady slipper orchid flowers. I think they're gonna last a while.